Hey there, welcome to another video. Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. Have you ever come across the situation where you need to press OK in the problem report window, but you're wondering if there's a hotkey to make it quick and easy? Well, that's the problem we want to solve today. In terms of a solution, you would need to press Tab, or use the arrow keys to change the active button so that OK is highlighted in blue, and then simply hit Enter. To make sure this functionality works as intended, you want to enable keyboard navigation in your system settings. This will streamline the process and save you some valuable time. Now to recap what we discussed. When faced with the problem report window, remember to utilize Tab or the arrow keys to highlight OK before pressing Enter. Additionally, enabling keyboard navigation in your system settings will enhance your overall experience. So, keep these tips in mind for next time you encounter this situation. Alright, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Until next time, happy computing!